South City, where we have 2 Rimi stores, and where we also have very active community who is fighting against food waste. And together with the food bank, we put together a pilot project for a week where community members and food bank representatives were in the store actually sorting together fruit and vegetables. These are the most difficult product to donate, so we decided to gather together and see what is the food bank quality limits, and hoping that maybe it helps for the store members to donate even more fruit and vegetables as well.
Hetkel me siis sorteerime päästetud toitu, mis on tulnud Rimist. Et kui paki sees on nagu üks selline ja teised sellised, siis need on nagu väga okeid ju inimestele nagu annetamiseks. Ja see kaup siin läheb nagu kohe välja jagamiseks pakkidesse, et ne pakendatakse siin kohe ära ja inimesed tulevad sellele kohe järgi.
Kokku toodi 45 kilo puuvilju ja selleks kõlblikult on 33 kilo. Meile see on väga suur kogus, et inimestele annetada.
Hetkesaat saabus meile toit, mis oleks muidu lennanud prügikasti, aga siit saame aidata abivajajaid, kes tõesti neid vajavad. Näiteks see kurk on täiesti kõlblik. Et siit ei näe ma ühtegi plekke midagi, seda läheb mõnele perele väga vaja.
We can sort, we can select it, and we can still distribute it to the people who need it. And often the firms who the importers of food, of fruits and vegetables, and the supermarkets, they do not have the time to sort all the fruits and vegetables. So if they think the quality is not good enough, then they throw away the whole pallet with food, and even if maybe 90% of the food is still edible. So we have the volunteers, so we can sort all the food and control it and pack it again, give it to the people who need it.
And as we saw, results were very good. Rimi store in Võru started to donate fruit and vegetables 10 times more than before. So we can be really happy about this and hope to also spread the same idea and practice for the other Rimi stores.